These are the tower elevators at the U.S. Bank building in Lincoln, Nebraska, downtown. These are modernized OTIS elevators in 1969 and then modernized in 1989. So here we go. Oh, look at that indicator. Which one's going to be come down? Probably get that first car. Yep, here it comes. It's on D. Parking. Look! Oh, look at the numbers on the indicator. They changed it on this animation. And here it is. Here's car number 1. Let's go to 20, which is the club lounge. Here we go. This is traction. So in 2023, these elevators are getting modernized by Innovation Prestige Fixtures. Modernized again. This is the 1080p 60 frames take. Here are 20. Alright, let's go back down to the lobby. Adams Designer Fixtures. There's your phone right there. Fornicator. Modernized by OTIS. Modernized OTIS. Here we go. Going down. Here are the lobby. Alright, that's it.